In the name of Allah, excessively compassionate, extremely merciful, I hope all of you are fine and doing great as usual. So, today our topic of discussion is direct object, indirect object, and object complement in basic grammar. So, first is this, what is a direct object? You can say direct object receives the actions performed by subject. Or in other words, you can say that subject does the verb to the direct object. And the verb used with the direct object is always an action verb. So simple is this कि कोई भी चीज जो एक्शन रिसीव करे वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होता है या कोई जो सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट है या डूअर है सेंटेंस का वो कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म करे तो वो क्या है डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है ठीक है और जो वर्ब्स यूज होते हैं डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ वो हमेशा एक्शन वर्ब्स यूज होते हैं फॉर इंस्टेंस द कार हिट द ट्री सो अब यहाँ पे क्या है द कार सब्जेक्ट है और कार ने हिट किया एक्शन परफॉर्म किया किसके ऊपर ट्री के ऊपर तो ट्री क्या है बेसिकली रिसीवर है जिसने जो हिट का एक्शन है वो अपने ऊपर रिसीव किया ठीक है so simple as this the next important point is this how we can identify subject and direct object in a sentence so you have to remember one basic formula for this first of all you have to pick the verb and then you have to in order to find out the subject when you will pick the verb or identify verb in a sentence and then you can ask what or who to the verb then the answer will be subject and when you will say subject and verb followed by whom or what it will give you answer of direct object. It's very simple, easy. You have to just concentrate. You will be able to understand. Okay. How? I'll tell you. The sentence is the car hit the tree. So first your task is this. You have to identify verb in this sentence. So what is the verb in a sentence? Hit. So you have to ask who hit. The answer is the car. Who hit the car? So, car is the subject of a sentence. Then you can ask subject verb what? Who the car hit what? The answer is direct the tree that is direct object. Again, try to understand it again. First, identify verb that is hit. Then put question who hit? The answer is the car. So the car is the subject of a sentence. The car hit what? The car hit the tree. So tree is direct object in this sentence. Next example is Wali built a doll house for Fatima. So what you will do? First you will identify verb. So what is the verb in this sentence? Built. Okay, so built is the verb. Who built? Wali. So Wali is the subject of a sentence. Wali built what? A doll house. So a doll house is the direct object of this sentence. Next, the club members held a party in the hotel. First, held. Who held? The club members. So the club members are subject of the sentence. The club members held what? A party. So a party is direct object, right? So in a sentence, we can have compound objects. For instance, the car hit the tree and the fence. So again, hit. Who hit? The car. The car hit what? The tree and the fence. So the tree and the fence are compound objects in this sentence, right? The other is the indirect object. So, indirect objects is really a prepositional phrase, and you can say that the indirect object always comes between the verb and the direct object. or it tells to whom or for whom, to what or for what something is done. सो आपने याद रखना है कि जो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है वो बेसिकली क्या होता है, प्रपोजिशनल फ्रेज होता है। और ये नॉर्मली, बल्कि नॉर्मली नहीं, हमेशा ही ये वर्ब और डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के दरमियान होता है। कैसे, हम इसकी कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं। She gave me a gift. So the formula is the same. First, you have to identify verb, give. Who gave? She. She is the subject. She gave what? A gift. A gift is direct object. A gift to whom? Me. So me is indirect object. आपने देखा कि जो me है indirect object है, वो verb gave और direct object gave के दरमियान है, right? Again. Wali built a doll house for Fatima. Built, verb. Who built? Wali. Wali built what? A doll house. A doll house is direct object. A doll house for whom? For Fatima. So for Fatima is what? Indirect object. So you see, there should be a one question. So as I told you earlier, that indirect object is always between a direct object and a verb. So in this sentence, for Fatima, indirect object is at the end because it's a preposition phrase, right? She sent the teacher and me a gift. Sent. Who sent? She. She sent what? A gift.